So here we are entering into the aquarium. You can see that what they're doing right now is they are placing the exterior ceiling to make this not weather tight but animal tight, so we don't get the critters coming in. And so let's go into the public aquarium now, still under major construction. So we'll just walk along here. Right here, what we'll have is, this will be the little auditorium space, probably smaller than we anticipated, but it'll just be a little space for kids to come in, watch videos about the Amazon, River, the Amazon ecosystems. In the background, you can hear the little guard dog we have. So let's walk along here. This will be the bottom aquariums. The bottom aquariums will be 6 feet long, 3 feet wide, and 3 feet high. There will be a second layer of aquariums right on top, which will be smaller. They'll be about 1.5 feet long, about 2 feet wide, and 2 feet high. So here you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 aquariums here, and then on top will be 12 to 14, depending upon how we space them around. So let's go back to here. As you enter, here are the front doors again. As you enter straight from the front door, what we're going to have is, we are going to have a 6 feet long aquarium that will have a curved section out of it, and this will allow kids, as they're walking into the aquarium, to actually walk under the aquarium and will be able to see fish from above themselves. So it'll give them a perspective of what the fish see. This right here will be a observation tank for stingrays. So all the various stingrays that we have here in the area will be in this tank. Next we go over to this tank. This tank, as you can see, is going to be a nice big huge square tank, 6 feet by 6 feet by 6 feet high. Here is our major exhibit. Will be an acrylic panel or panels. We go inside. You can see that it can be quite large. We have room for a lot of the bigger fish that are found here in the Amazon. So this will be our show tank. Again, we're going to have 5 6-foot long tanks with a second row of smaller tanks in this area. So you can see the construction is underway, it's going well. Here, this semicircular tank, it will be filled with a few fish that that the kids will be able to feed. We're thinking pacu, maybe some catfish, things of that sort. Adjacent to it, we'll have another set of tanks here, so that we'll have, be able to display many of the fish species that we have here in the Amazon. This structure that is just being built now, inside will be our little, the bodega, the gift shop, be able to buy gifts and drinks. This front area here will be glass, so you can actually see out of the gift shop into the area. You can see what's in the gift shop without actually going into the gift shop. Around these areas, there will be environmental walls showing some of the environmental degradation that's going on here in the Amazon. Policies to try to cure those degradations. We'll have one wall in English, the opposite wall will be in Spanish. So what this will be used for is an educational system for the kids in the area, to teach them environmental policies, environmental processes, conservation efforts that are going on in the area, and just teach them about the local fish that they have. Most of the people, especially the young kids, really only know 5 or 6 species of fish. And those species are the fish that they actually eat. So they're really not concerned with any of the other fish species, unless their family is in the aquarium trade business. So that's the first portion of the tour. We will have continuing portions right away.